Medical Technologies Limited. We are India's first medical aesthetic company to be listed on National Stock Exchange. Aesthetic is different than cosmetic. So cosmetic में changes जो होते हैं वो एक दिन दो दिन रहते हैं. Aesthetic is where the changes last longer. कभी एक साल, कभी 2 साल, कभी permanent. So that is aesthetic industry. Basically, our business is to make people beautiful through doctors like who are attending here, plastic surgeons and dermatologists. We have Dr. Vijay Nagdev, Dr. V.S. Rathod, Dr. Syed Nazim, Dr. Jeril. So we have products and services. We call Akar as Amazon of aesthetics. So we have almost A to Z of aesthetic products and services, medical devices with us, and these products and services are sold to doctors. जहाँ से हमारा business आता है. So now why Zelix and what Zelix? I'll come to that. Before that, I'll just take you through Akar journey. So we are the first listed company at National Stock Exchange and the NSE Emerge platform. We have total put together we have 200 plus people, but we have 170 people in the sales, and then we have 154 SKUs. We currently, as of date, last year we built in the last closing year we built 6,300 customers. वैसे हमारा total customer coverage 12 to 18,000 रहता है. And we have launched our own brands in last few years. So 20 plus brands are in imported category and own category. So being the first in medical aesthetic India में is a very new market. So a lot of products are imported because the technology was never there. In India में हम लोग को typically we are money saving country. So we save money, घर खरीदते, FD करते, गोल्ड खरीदते, उसके बाद चेहरे पे कुछ लगाने की कोशिश करते हैं. उसमें भी लेडीज फर्स्ट, जेंट्स तो पता नहीं करते कि नहीं करते, बट नाउ द ट्रेंड इज चेंजिंग पोस्ट कोविड. सो वहाँ पे दिस इंडस्ट्री स्टार्टेड ग्रोइंग नाउ. इफ़ यू सी पीपल आर नाउ स्टार्टेड स्पेंडिंग मोर मनी. हेयर ट्रांसप्लांट बहुत कॉमन हो गया है. लिप फिलर, लिप को प्लम्प करते, ये प्रोसीजर्स कॉमन हो गए. सो वी सेल प्रोडक्ट्स एंड डिवाइसेस फॉर दीज काइंड ऑफ सर्विसेज. बाल, अनवांटेड हेयर रिमूवल. So these are the products: skin lightening, tattoo removal, laser hair removal. So there are a lot of body contouring, body shaping. So aesthetic encompasses hair ka products that can regrow your hair, not the products available on online जो जरूरी नहीं result दे. People claim a lot of result, but we deal through serious people who are serious in their knowledge, who have learned this entire pathophysiology and science of hair growth. तो इन डॉक्टर्स के थ्रू हमारा बिजनेस चलता है. नेक्स्ट आभाष. Akar as a company, we have a lot of firsts in India. So Mr. Dilip Niswani, our founder, I favoritely call him as father of medical aesthetics in India. He's one of the first few people who started the medical aesthetic industry. So we were the first to sell a laser diode from a company called Luminous in India. First installation चंडीगढ़ में हुआ था. We have lot of first holmium laser, first targeted phototherapy, first blue light, derma roller. We were first to launch threads, which were erstwhile called Happy Lift. Today it is Aptos. So we were first to launch it long back. Microwaves for fat loss reduction. Our legacy as a privately limited company, we are 13 years of legacy, but as an entity, we are 25 years in the market. Now, why Akar is different is we have kind of created the market. So why first company to be listed? We created the market. We trained a lot of doctors. So आज Indian pharmaceutical और Indian dermatology market में majority of doctors know Akar, though we are not a very big company because the market itself is growing now. It was literally small, but if there is a dermatologist and if he is practicing, the chances of not knowing Akar is very less because we have been in aesthetic industry for 25 plus years. तो वो हमारी legacy है. Next, आभाष. Like I said, the market is fragmented. There are a lot of trading companies who are marketing the products. So we decided to take a better step forward to make ourselves more corporatized, not being a trading company कि 10 रुपए के लिए product बेचो पैसे कमाओ. So what we do is we have started brand building, making products better, services better, result oriented, registrations, CDSU registrations, FDA registrations. So all our products are duly registered and then only we market. So we consolidated the market. We brought in a lot of products and therapies from international and global market to India, and then we are launching that. That is where Zelix came in. Now, what is Zelix? Zelix is a doctor-owned, doctor-operated business model. Now basically it is doctor owned because the owner of the clinic is not going to be Aakar. The doctors sitting here are the owners of their own clinic. Now why and how? So you know Zomato, you know Uber, you know Pristine Care for that matter. All these companies have a service where they pool patients or pool people who come on their platform and buy a service. So basically we thought of launching a service where we can get the patients which is from the D2C market, and people don't know where to go for what procedure. People don't know who is qualified, who is not qualified. सपोज आपने बाहर लिखा देखा स्किन क्लिनिक है, बहुत बार ऐसे होता है कि अंदर डर्मेट होता ही नहीं है या एमबीबीएस डॉक्टर भी नहीं होता बहुत बार. तो if anybody wants to search a proper service in aesthetic, if they come to Zelix, we can assure that they are either going to a dermatologist or plastic surgeon who is qualified. So that is our first approach, because we want people to go to the right channel. Because बीच में आपने देखा होगा ट्रांसप्लांट करते हो किसी को कुछ हो गया and there are a lot of side effects. कोई और कुछ, see side effect can happen to anybody, but side effect happening due to lack of knowledge is the worst thing, and people pay huge money in aesthetic procedures. So our entire endeavor is that we take these people to the right channel. So उसलिए हमने Zelix फॉर्म किया ना. Zelix में advantage for Aakar is as a company we have products and services also. So ऐसा नहीं है कि डॉक्टर्स को मार्केट किया, प्रोसीजर सर्विसेज मार्केट किया. We have our own products that are duly registered. So हम end to end पूरे चैनल को लॉक कर रहे हैं. दूसरा एस्थेटिक सर्विसेज को हम प्रमोट कर रहे हैं so that people know that these procedures are available. पहले जैसे हेयर लॉस होता है तो हेयर लॉस ग्रेड 1 टू ग्रेड 4 में पीपल डोंट नो व्हाट टू डू, वेयर टू गो. फिर बाल अगर ग्रेड 4 से आगे बढ़ जाते हैं फिर ट्रांसप्लांट ही बच जाता है. सो education is very important. So when we start educating, and the doctors sitting here and the doctors who are on our panel, we have 28 plus doctors registered now, they will also be educating the customers. तो खाली ऐसा नहीं है कि हमको पेशेंट लाना है और उन पर प्रोसीजर करनी है. They should know what is going to happen, what is happening with them, aesthetic में क्या चल रहा है. So you will see if you go to our Instagram page, there are a lot of educational videos that we have started posting. So education is going to be one of the fortes of Zelix platform. इंडस्ट्री बड़ा हो रहा है. आई वॉज जस्ट एड्रेसिंग द डॉक्टर ऑडियंस एंड आई एम सेइंग इंडिया इज अ टिपिंग पॉइंट ऑफ मेडिकल एस्थेटिक इंडस्ट्री. ये जो नंबर है ये बहुत छोटे हैं. ग्लोबली इफ यू सी द नंबर्स आर गोइंग टू क्रॉस लाइक $50 बिलियन. तो बहुत बड़ा मार्केट है. और ये मार्केट इसलिए बड़ा है इंडिया के कि यूरोप सैचुरेटेड है, क्योंकि ये प्रोसीजर्स यूरोप में आज से 15-20 साल पहले शुरू हो गए थे. चाइना सैचुरेट हो गया, डिग्रो होने लगा है, बिकॉज वहाँ पे भी 10 साल पहले हमसे पहले एस्थेटिक का बूम आ गया था. इंडिया में बेनिफिट किया है पोस्ट कोविड, एंड नाउ सिंस वी हैव अ लॉट ऑफ बिगर मिडिल क्लास पॉपुलेशन, और ये जो जेनजी अभी कल्चर आया है, दे आर मोर easily dispensing money. They don't want to buy houses, they don't want to have money in the bank, they are spending money. So suddenly expert आया है in spending, and we want to channelize this spend at a proper doctor end, and that is where Zelix platforms will come. So this is India's first standardized, and it's very important. The key words that anybody would know for Zelix is it's a doctor-owned, doctor-operated, standardized, certified doctors, qualified doctors, trained doctors, doctors who know how to manage, what to manage, when to manage complications also. So it is very important. Otherwise, when you are spending few lakh rupees and getting a procedure done at a place where you don't know whether the doctor is qualified or not. So if somebody sees Zelix, it's a guarantee that you are going to a qualified dermatologist or plastic surgeon to get the procedure. So that is what Zelix is. It might become the hallmark of like it's a hallmark for gold, ISI mark or whatever. So Zelix should be that mark. But अगर आप Zelix में गए हैं, you are going to the right channel and the right route. So that's our vision. Currently this year we plan to do 100. ये minimum है. Actually we are very aggressive and we want to do more, but we don't want to onboard now. At most times dermatologist है करके onboard कर लिया, ऐसा नहीं है, या plastic, because aesthetic procedure एक ऐसी चीज़ है that people learn over period, and they should know certain minimum procedures. Hair transplant है या filler है या toxin procedures है, they need to learn these procedures. They have done minimum certain number of procedures. So onboarding में हमारे personal internal criteria है. So हम सबको नहीं ऑनबोर्ड करेंगे. 18,000 से 20,000 डर्मेटोलॉजिस्ट होंगे बाय ईयर 2030. तो उसका मतलब ये नहीं कि मैं सबको ऑन बोर्ड करूँ. वी विल लिमिट इट टू से 1000-1200. और लिमिटेशन भी इसलिए कि वी वांट द बेस्ट. ठीक है. सो Zelix doesn't mean कि मैं सबको ले लूँगा. एंड द other thing is, since we are marketing this and we want the doctors also to have the right kind of clients, we have outsourced patient interface before even we send them to doctor, so that we know that what the patient actually wants. Because doctors के पास भी आप जाओगे, counseling एक बहुत important part है. And we want to save their time, because if doctors keep spending time in counseling, तो उतने कम patients को treat कर सकते हैं. So we are also counseling the patients and then sending the right patients to doctors. और जिनको कुछ ज़रूरत नहीं है या जो खाली inquiries है, we just filter it out. फ्यूचर हम 500 प्लस, बट आप मुझसे पूछोगे, मेरा पर्सनल टारगेट है कि मैं 1000 क्लिनिक्स करूँ. बट अगर हम 500 भी पहुँच गए, वी विल बी वर्ल्ड्स लार्जेस्ट चेन क्लिनिक टाइप ऑफ प्लेटफॉर्म. And more than the number, the whole endeavor is education, so that people go to the right people. And this is done by Aakar because we are the first medical aesthetic company, and it's a responsibility, and we are listed. So we want to take this responsibility and build this market. This today's event that is happening here, the FAHA, the Facial Aesthetic Harmony Approach, is a training event. We did training जहाँ पे hands on सिखाया हमने डॉक्टर्स को. आज भी lectures और sessions है, कल भी सिखाएंगे. So we are creating the market as well. So education करके consumer को educate कर रहे हैं, and we are also working with the doctors and training and upskilling them. So it's not just कि हमको sale करना है, but sale करने के लिए we are creating that environment also, that we have trained and qualified doctors. These are the few doctors. Dr. V.S. Rathod is with us here. Abhay Trati will be here in the evening. Dr. Vijay is here. Dr. Vijay is here, Dr. Jalil is here. So I think we will share the list of doctors who are already onboarded. Most of them might come by evening. Whoever is here, at least 4 of them are here. You can interact with them, and I am also here. You can ask any question. Over to you guys.